Good afternoon, guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. And I just got back from Diwar Island. What a fantastic place! And I'm in another area which is beautiful. This place is called Ribandar. So I spoke to an auntie. If you watched the video, you must have noticed that I gave her a lift, and she told me that the ferry that is going towards Ribandar, unfortunately, is not working. But I just wanted to cover this beautiful area as well. And what I'm doing right now is I'm heading towards the church here. So apparently the church here is on a height, if I'm not mistaken, and the view is good. But just look at this area, guys. I really like this area as well. It's very peaceful, very beautiful.
Right.
And the reason why I admire this area is because of the view of the river that you have. If you want to go to islands like Shera or Diwar, the connectivity is very good. And look at these narrow lanes here, from where you can get to the church, Rocky Man here.
Turn left.
And look at this. So we are going on a hill right now. And here you will get to see some buildings as well. So I can imagine the view what these buildings must be having is fantastic, of the Mandavi river behind. So it's a well-known place, well-known area in Goa.
Turn left.
And left from here, no, this is a building. So even I am coming here after many years, but I know the area is very good.
In 600
Let's
meters,
see ahead if we can get a view of the river. I've come here like a really long time ago, almost 20 years if I remember. And we used to visit our friend's place in Shera. We used to take the ferry and go on that side, and that's when I remember, looking at Ribandar. I have faint memories, but yeah, some places I have vivid memories as well. Some white buildings, they used to look very nice. I don't know where those buildings are really, but I'll try to find out. I'm sure it's there behind somewhere in these areas. Now I can really feel the breeze a lot. I'm sure we've gone up the hill quite a bit. And where is the church here? Okay, in 1 minute we will get to the church. How do we go from here? Should we take a left? Yes, left. And look at these areas, guys. So there's a building coming up here on the right. When I see buildings, I feel sad as well, because it's the villas, guys, that really stand out here in Goa. Okay, now I can get, yes, look at this view of the river, and yes, this is what I was looking for. So after many years, look at that river over there. And this here is St. Mary's Orthodox Syrian Church. Okay, anyway, let's just keep riding now. We are descending the hill. And where will we get out? Left hand curve. Let's just go down this hill. I think we will be back on the main road if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we are still on the hill here. And on my right here, if you can see, Mandvi river again. So this is a Syrian church. That's the reason why the architecture is different. And correct me if I'm wrong, Syrian church is the church that was started by the followers of Saint Thomas who came to India. Okay, look at this view, guys. Fantastic. What is this? This is the church. Yeah, this is the one that I was looking for in the first place. Or I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I think this is the one. Let's take a left from here. Yeah, and look at this area, guys. Look look at these houses here on the left. So Misu restaurant, very beautiful restaurant, is behind on this road somewhere. But unfortunately, I've seen some bad reviews about the place. But I do know food blogger has covered it, so I'll be interested to try the food there, but not right now. Hopefully, after a few days. And look at this winding roads here. So there are some turns here which you will not be aware of if you're coming here because of some structures in between. So yeah, this is one way, and if you see on the right side there, that road is a two-way. Okay, so we had taken this left initially. Let me just take this left and go back in the same lane because I wanted to cover that other area of the hill. I had taken this left. Yeah, let me just take a U-turn and try to go up there somewhere. It's been a hot day so far since the last 1 or 2 hours, but yeah, it's not that bad also. Yeah, this is the area that I was looking for. So there are some nice buildings here, and these buildings, yes, these buildings will have a view of the river there. Beautiful. And someone sprayed some really nice perfume. I can get that fragrance here. Yeah, this is the area that I wanted to cover. So like I said, I'm coming here after many years here. I can only imagine the people staying over here. Such a peaceful place, and every time I passed by this place, it's always windy over here. So yeah, if you have like nice French windows like these guys have on the right side, to see clothes being dried out in the balcony. I personally support clothes racks, guys. If you have a nice villa, if you have a nice building, doggy man here, sorry dogs, but yeah, they were just as curious as I was. But yeah, I'm sorry to disturb your sleep, but I think we are back on the main road. But how about this for an area, guys? So as I was saying, yeah, clothes rack, please dry your clothes on the clothes rack, guys, if you live in beautiful villas and building. So we've pretty much covered most of the nice areas of Ribandar. Let's just go straight here and take the right as well to see what is there on the right. I think there might be some more buildings here. Yeah, some more buildings here on the right. But is this a private place? No, I don't think. Let's go in here. So there are a lot of slopes here. If you are not an experienced driver or rider, you will have a bit of an issue. But look at these villas, guys. What a fabulous place this is as well. And like I said, there's breeze here almost every time I have passed by. Look at this house on the right. To the left turn, let's take this left as well and see where it goes. We've hit a dead end. Dogs barking. Once again on my left here, we have a fantastic, these houses, fantastic view. Look at this house. Wow. Doberman there outside. Really beautiful structures here. I don't know if there are some guest houses here. Maybe there might be some, but if you want to come and have a peaceful stay and get a beautiful view of the Mandvi river, you should check out this area. Okay, now let's take a ride and see what's there. Yeah, again some buildings here as well. Very nice, clean places. Although yeah, there is some little bit of littering in some places, but yeah, overall the area is very nice, very clean. Indira ride. Yeah, look at this. It's fantastic. Very nice. Now we are descending the slope, which means that we might reach either the highway. Yes, we've reached the highway. So yeah, Ribandar is really between this highway and the that connects to the Mandvi river. This is the highway here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little tour. I don't want to take the highway. I like the scenic road. I came from this highway. Yeah, this kind of littering is really a shame, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one as well. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.